Wanna know how to join multiple strings easily in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, we use String.join method. Also, you can see this String.join method right here. We use this in order to join. So it's built in and super clean. You pass a separator like a double quotation marks, so right here with a white space, double quotation marks, and an array of strings. So here it simply joins. Java is awesome. So that is built differently, as you can see right here. Java with commas and is in between commas as well. So we don't need loops or string builder. So we can just simply write string join and with these quotation marks right here. And also make sure to write the name of the data type you had named. So if we had renamed string.word, so make sure to write it at the end as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can just run it up to check it and you are good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.